Okay, I'm trying something different. Remote's on the ground. I put the thing over there in loiter mode. And it does seem to be more stable in this wide open area. Well, that's my front yard. I'm sure the trees were blocking a few of the GPS satellites. But I am not holding the remote. Here's the remote. And now I'm trying to return to land. In other words, it's come back to where it took off from and land automatically. Let's see what it does. It'll probably land right on the radio and tip over and break something. But here it comes. And the remote is on the ground over there. And here it comes down. That'll be a nice feature if you ever get confused. You can bring it back without having to know what to do. You can see the remote on the ground there. That's pretty cool.